Yes, it's from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. Meron silang 12 new shades of the mini milk tints. This collection is called the Milkshake Collection. As we all know, milk tint ang unang-unang product ng Get Ready With Me Cosmetics nung nagsisimula pa lang sila. Kaya pag naglalabas sila ng mga new shades, very exciting talaga. I love na mini yung ginawa nilang new shades, mas travel-friendly and mas marami tayong pwede itry. Meron din silang shade guide na pinrovide para malaman natin kung ano yung mga warm pink, neutral pink, cool pink, peach, mauve, and purple. These are all the 12 beautiful shades. Ito yung mga warm pink, ito yung mga neutral pink, ito yung mga peach, ito yung mga mauve, ito yung mga purple. Let's start with the warm pinks. Creamsicle, light warm muted pink. Strawberry milk, light warm coral pink. Petite, medium warm rosy pink. I think this is my favorite sa mga warm pinks. Another favorite, Beau, light warm milky pink. On to the neutrals, Muffin, medium neutral dusty mauve pink. Ito hindi to bagong shade pero bago siya sa mga mini, Parfait, light neutral nude pink. Sa peach na tayo, Jelly Bean, medium warm dusty peach. Ganda ng shade na to, Juju, light warm milky peach. Sa mauves na tayo, pero ito para siyang gitna ng mauve and peach. Bubble Tea, medium neutral dusty peach. Then, ito yung mauve talaga, and I think ito yung darkest shade, Blush Berry, medium cool dusty rose. Sa purples na tayo, Gummy Bear, light cool lilac pink. And finally, ito talaga yung purple, and ito yung limited edition nila, Purple Yam, medium neutral lilac. My top 6 shades would be Petite, Beau, Muffin, Juju, Gummy Bear, and Purple Yam. I know lahat ng shades maganda and wearable, pero kayo, ano yung top 6 shades din ninyo? Let me know in the comments. Thank you and I hope this video helped. Again, Get Ready With Me Milk Tint Milkshake Collection.